Okay. I want to talk about addition and subtraction. We're also going to talk about multiplication and division. So, um, just as a review, we can put any subtraction problem, we can rewrite it as addition. And this is going to be important for things that we do later. But also, we're going to talk about the order of operations, and this will help keep some things straight. So, if we have 3 minus 7, that's the same as -4. And I could write this as 3 plus -7, which gives me -4. Okay. And if I had -3 minus -5, that's 2. And I could rewrite this as -3 plus +5, which gives me 2. So I can rewrite a subtraction problem by adding the opposite. So here I'm subtracting +7. So I can rewrite that as addition by adding -7. Here I'm subtracting -5. And I can rewrite that as addition by adding +5. Okay, so similarly, we can do the same kind of thing with multiplication and division. So I can take every division problem and I can rewrite it as multiplication. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And I could rewrite that as multiplication by saying 8 times 1/2. Okay. 1/2 is the reciprocal of 2. In other words, 2 times 1/2 equals 1. Because when I multiply these two together, I get 1. These two are reciprocals. Okay, so I've taken this division problem, 8 divided by 2, and rewrote it as multiplication by doing 8 times 1/2. Okay. Another example, we could do 6 divided by 1/3. And remember, when we do division, one of the things we're saying is how many times does this fit into there, right? So I can fit 3/3 in a one whole. So if I can fit 3/3 in one whole, then I can fit 18 in 6 holes. Okay. And I means I can rewrite that as the multiplication of 6 times 3 over 1, which gives me 18. And again, 1/3 and 3 are reciprocals because 1/3 times 3 is 1. Okay, so if we build off of this one, we can look at one with a non-1 in the fraction. So if 6 divided by 1/3 is 18, then I would expect 6 divided by 2/3 to get in half as much, which would be 9. Okay, and then I can rewrite this as multiplication by multiplying by this reciprocal again. Okay. And it may help you to remember that when we multiply, we do 6 over 1, right? So I can reduce here, or I can get 18 over 2, which is 9. Okay. And 2/3 and 3/2 are reciprocals because when I multiply them together, I get 1. So these are all reciprocals. Okay. And the big thing here is that we can write every division problem as a multiplication problem. So one of the reasons why both of these things, the writing a subtraction as addition and writing division as multiplication, one of the reasons why those are helpful is because when we multiply and we add, the order doesn't matter with what we do, right? We can do it in any order and it's fine. But with subtraction and division, that's not true. So if we can change things to addition and we can change them to multiplication, then I have to worry less about order, which makes things much easier and I can pick and choose sort of the order that I go about things.